Hi guys, I'm bringing to you today something that I have been given the chance to review, and it's a really neat item. As many of you know, I've been looking at campers and trailers, and this would be perfect. So let me open the box. This is how it comes packaged. Inside, it's protected by bubble wrap. Okay, this is one side of it, which I'm guessing is the bottom. So this looks like the top, and it's a shiny, it's got like little speckles, and it comes with a carrying handle. And it's pretty lightweight. I'll get the exact weight of it, but something like this you could easily store in your camper or RV. Even if you were going to an event like the Beaches Jazz Festival or something, you could put this in a backpack, no problem, and you'd have an instant seat. Okay, as you can see, it opens up like an accordion. I'm doing this with one hand, so let me set it up. So there are two of these holes on the top and on the bottom, and all you have to do is put one hand on either side and pull it out like an accordion. So that's what it looks like. And I'll take it outside to test it. But it pops into place pretty easily, and I believe can take up to 300 pounds. Okay. This is really lightweight. I'm holding it with my thumb. So it feels pretty sturdy. And you could put a piece of wood on there. Just a sec. You could put a piece of wood on there and use it as a table if you wanted a bigger space. Or of course you could just use it as is. Okay, on the veranda, obviously it's a flat surface. I'm moving myself around to see if it's going to collapse on me. Seems pretty sturdy. And now I'm going to try it on an uneven surface. So it's 10 inches across. So let me try it out on some uneven ground with crazy dogs running around after me. Okay, obviously, the flatter the surface, the better it's going to be. Okay, I got dogs jumping on me, but I feel pretty sturdy. I mean, it is sort of flat on the bottom as well, but I feel secure sitting here, knowing they could knock me down. I think it's a neat little product to have. I like how it's so portable. It doesn't take up much space. It can hold up to 300 pounds. Now, I won't be able to, close it. So you put your fingers in both ends, and then you would have to twist, because obviously it gets locked into place. So let me do that now. It virtually takes seconds to, you just twist it, and then you can, it compacts down in size. You've got a carrying case. It's easy, looks easy to clean. I mean, the only place where dirt might get in would be in the holes, but you know, it's pretty good. I like the surface of this, and I think this is a cool thing. Like, I'd rather take this than one of those big lawn chairs that you have to sling over your shoulder. Although I would like the back portion if I was, you know, depending what I was doing. But to have in a camper or something, I think this is a great product. So I'll put the link down below to where I got it from, and it's available probably worldwide. But I would like to thank everyone for watching, thank the seller, and I hope you all have a great day.